Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, directly supporting Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're looking at a Grumman American Flying Center's Private Pilot Kit. Now, kit is not complete, but it was a plastic kit you could buy from Grumman American dealers. It contains a E6B plotter made out to Grumman American, right there on the bottom. Very nice to have. Not to mention the private the air studies manual, the pilot workshop, and your private pilot manual, all in a nice kit along with a few other things. This kit is not complete, but this is back what you had back in the day in the 70s. So we thought we'd take you a little walk down memory lane, show you what was available, and hope you found this informative and useful. Thanks for watching.